Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 16. How to set up cutlery for various courses. Consideration of guests' courses. Take note of the courses the guest has ordered to ensure the appropriate cutlery is provided for each course. Tailored cutlery selection. Select the cutlery that best suits each course, aligning with the guest's menu choices. Timely setup. Set all cutleries in place before the arrival of the first course to provide a seamless dining experience. Outside-in approach. Arrange the cutlery for the first course from the outside in, indicating the order of use for the guest. Special cutlery provision. Ensure that special cutlery is provided for each ordered course as needed. For instance, a pasta dish served as a main course might require a spoon on the left side and a dinner fork on the right side. Sequential arrangement. Set the lady's cutlery first, followed by the gentleman's, and finally the host's cutlery. This sequence is a gesture of respect and courtesy towards the guests. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.